Good morning, boys and girls. Tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. Are you excited? I don't know if it's necessarily a holiday that we get excited about, but it is a holiday. It's St. Patrick's Day. We wear green. Sometimes we talk about leprechauns. I almost said leprechauns. And I also tried that. And we talk about gold. We talk about rainbows. All of those fun things. So I thought that for math today, we could use our STEM skills and go across curriculars. So what that means, you don't know. That's okay. You don't need to know. First, I'm going to read a story to you. How exciting. You are the first people that I have read this story to because I literally just took it out of the package. It is How to Catch a Leprechaun. Have you heard how to catch other things? There's How to Catch a Monster, How to Catch a Mermaid, How to Catch the Easter Bunny, How to Catch a Turkey. I think we read How to Catch a Turkey. I have read that one before. So the words are by Adam Wallace and the pictures are by Andy Elkerton. This is an AR book. I did not look up the AR number before I started reading, but I definitely can do that for you and put it on the schedule for you, okay? So, How to Catch a Leprechaun. Here we go. The night is dark. The streets are quiet. St. Patrick's Day is near. I tap my hammer so you'll know the leprechaun is here. I'll pull out all your laces, put glitter in your hair, and when you walk around, you'll see my gold coins everywhere. Sorry, I inhaled too quickly. You'll never catch me in your trap, but yes, I'll make a scene. I'll turn the whole place upside down. Your toilet will be green. House number 1, I'm going in. Ready? That's your trap. I'm in and out without a doubt. That one was a snap. And now I think it's getting worse. A shoebox on a stick? I'll dance a jig and still escape. We leprechauns are quick. Another house, I fixed your shoes. They really were quite smelly. I'll eat your nuts you left as bait and leave with a full belly. Now you're talking. Look at this, a dandelion tea, but I'm too speedy for your trap. The tea is mine for free. Tea, I might have thought. Over in Ireland, I think that they do like to drink tea. I wouldn't have thought about nuts. I'm not sure. I know you want my pot of gold. The iron cage was clever, but I've been alive 200 years. You won't catch me ever. I do hear that leprechauns live for a mighty long time. Now you're getting fancy, but I'll escape with twinkle toes. It's a fancy-pantsy dancy. Does this look like some of the girls' rooms? It seems to me an engineer has helped with this design. Too bad this little leprechaun is going to be just fine. This one was snazzy. Your entire house is one big trap, from the ceiling to the floor. Nice try indeed, but soon enough I'll stroll out the door. Totally safe place for leprechauns. The leprechaun be gone 3,000. Give me quite a scare, but without a 4-leaf clover, I won't be caught in there. You'll never catch this leprechaun. Impossible, that's a fact, unless one day a brilliant child designs the perfect trap. Will that be you? But who will that child be? Look at They're drawing their designs or their blueprints. They're measuring, testing. all of these science processes going on. Better luck next year. All right. So now comes the fun STEM part of your day. First, I want you to take a look around your house and look to see what materials you have that you can use. Make sure that you ask an adult first to make sure that it is okay that you use the materials that you're looking at or for. I want you to design your trap to try to catch your leprechaun. And what you are going to do is I want you to draw a picture of your trap tonight before, like you're setting it up. I want you to draw what it looks like set up and add labels to your parts. So let's look at an example real quick. So if I was doing this one, say this is my trap and it's on a string. So I'm going to say, okay, the string, I'm going to pull the string, the box will fall on the leprechaun. Okay? So it doesn't have to be a huge writing, but I want to know how your trap is going to work. So you're going to draw a picture of your trap, label it, or write a couple sentences down at the bottom of the square. That's rectangle. So that way I know how your trap works. Okay? And then tomorrow, after you wake up, I want to see what your trap looks like. Did you catch a leprechaun? Could you tell that there was a leprechaun at your house? Did your trap change at all? Could you tell that he tried, but he escaped? Okay? So what does your trap look like before? What does your trap look like after? I hope that you are lucky enough to catch a leprechaun. I would love to see a real life leprechaun because I have never been successful enough to catch a leprechaun of my own either. But I wish you luck. Have fun. And I can't wait to see pictures of your trap too. If you want to take a picture and have your adult either email me your actual trap or you can post it on our Facebook page too. That would be so much fun for all of us to see each other's trap. Have a great day and happy St. Patrick's Day.